Are you struggling to shoot in that day what is now that's quickly dark? You cannot work with the light and you are struggling to work with artificial light. That's today I want to show you how to work with artificial light. Easy way to make food photo. Photo will be looks like you use natural lights. But at the end of this video you will be learn how to work with artificial light, which equipment you need for the artificial light, and how to set up everything perfect and make photo like you use natural light. I am Monika, food and product photographer, and on this channel I teach you food photography, product photography, how to work with natural lights, artificial light, but I have the same online consultation. You can book with me 1 hour online. You choose the topic, you choose the time when you want to learn about food or product photography, but all information you find below. But now back for topic today, how to use artificial light for food photography. Let's go. Before I show you all equipment what you should have for use to artificial light in your food photography, I want to talk about benefit to use the artificial light. First, you can have different type of the artificial light. You can have continuous light, flashlight, LED light. We talk about continuous light. When you use continuous light, you have the same lights all the time when you do the shoot. Doesn't matter. You photography sometimes 1 hour, 2 hours. Sometimes you don't finish the shoot. Today you must start another day to photography, and it's no problem. You can straight away have this same type of the lights on photo, and all your photo shoot will be have the same type of the photo, will be looks together perfect like you do probably for maybe think about you photography food for catalog, and you need the same type of the lights all the time. With natural lights you cannot do that because natural lights change every hour, half hour. Another thing, maybe morning is sunny day, afternoon is rain, and completely ruin your photo shoot. Is the benefit use artificial light. But now show you what gear you need to use with your artificial light to make beautiful food photos. First things what you need is artificial light. You can have a lot of different artificial light, like that's lamp Godox SL60W is continuous light. You can have flashlights, you can have LED lights, the same. This flashlight is like old type flashlights. You can have different what looks like this lamp but it's flash. This is continuous what I have here, and you can have a lot of different type of the lights what give you different type of the photo. Continuous light you can use for video and photo. Flash is only for photo because you don't see where is the lights and you cannot work to make the video with the flashlight. But another plus from the flashlights what I hear, because I don't know, I never use the flashlights, the photo is more sharp and is perfect. The flashlights is perfect for photography, movement, drinks, or something splash the water, because it's more sharp, more easy to make that photo than with continuous light. But I'm not sure how is true or not, but photographer talk about flashlights, that's benefit. But continuous light, the benefit you have, you can do photo and video straight away. You see where that is direction your lights and easy to work. That's I really recommend for start. Invest in continuous light, work, understand how to work with artificial light, and later you can change the lights what you want. Another things what you need is modificator lights what you need for your lamp. Say we focus today on this continuous light, that's I put the flashlights. First modificator what you can have is reflector. When you buy this lamp you have a reflector straight away. You put the reflector on your lamp, I'm sorry, and straight away the light is only one position, not everywhere. If you don't use the reflector, the light is everywhere. That is the benefit they have the reflector. Another modificator light can be softbox. You can have a lot of different softbox, like I have this softbox. You have a bigger, different shape, the softbox, small, bigger. But one plus is from the softbox. One thing what you must to remember when you buy the softbox, if bigger softbox is better because it's more soft your lights and more lights you have around. Small softbox give you small amount the lights and the lights will be less soft than with the big softbox. Another modificator lights what you can have is a diffuser. This is the diffuser what I use. It's so big, how you see. You can have smaller, bigger, you have a different shape, and this is perfect to make soft lights, and it's one from my favorite, and it's the cheap, easy to set up. Like you see, when you close, it's so small and it's cheap. That is the benefit. Softbox is more expensive. Another modificator, you can have umbrella, different umbrella. I have one here, it's so huge. The umbrella is octagon umbrella, and this umbrella, when you open, I show you, it's really big. It's not easy to little work with this because my studio is small. You open like every umbrella, but this umbrella is good material, have inside good material, outside. The lights here bounce on the umbrella and go outside, but you can have another different type of the umbrella, what is like diffuser, and the lights go outside. That is few modificator lights what I always use. Let's give me to close this umbrella. Like you see, it's easy, don't take too much space. You can have smaller and bigger umbrella. Amazing modificator lights, really recommend. And it's not so expensive because this umbrella costs only 40 pounds. You can have some umbrella for 8-10 pounds, what is small and more like diffuser. Another things what you will be need for control your lights is bounce card. You can have two different bounce card. It's white and black. Black is like make more strong shadows, block the lights, but the white is work like that umbrella, bounce your lights coming here and bounce on your product where you put that. You really will need this for control the lights, control the shadows, make more bright your photo. With white you make more bright, with black more dark and more shadows on your photo. The things what you should invest money and buy very good things is the tripod. I use this tripod, is a company Newer. All stuff what I show today, you find the link below when you can buy how looks and more information. But talk about the tripod. Tripod is very important. Buy one what is good, strong. Believe me, if you buy that cheap, it's good for maybe recorder your video or do photos with the phone, not with camera, because camera is more heavy, the lenses is more heavy, the same. I don't feel safe to use not good tripod. This tripod I have like 5 years. I am happy with this tripod. If you want to know more information about this tripod, I make special video about this tripod, and the link you find below. This is the stuff what you should invest for beginning, for when you want to work with artificial light. This was theory, but now we go to the practice. I show you how to set up everything together and photography this pasta with artificial light, one diffuser, one modificator the lights, and make that stunning photo what it will be looks like you use natural lights. The best way show this pasta is backlights, because I want to show the texture, how looks the texture and the colors the pasta. It will be simply photo with the background and pasta and the lights, that's it. But I want to show you how you set up everything, like why we use backlights and how you can really work with these cheap lights but make like photo like natural lights. Let's go. I set up my table little far from the lamp, like you see. When I normal start 60% my lamp, but it's hard light. We want to do today soft light, like most natural lights, most soft, that we use the some modificator the lights, and this time I use the diffuser. What is the first is big, nice for set up your lights, like you see that or that, easy to use, and it's the most cheaper modificator the lights what I use all the time. I love to use, but I will be need extra stand to keep this diffuser, because I cannot imagine to stay here and keep this diffuser when I will be photographing my stuff. For set up these modificator lights, we need the stand, and you will be need the clip or that That's 2 clips. You can use different type. This, if you put on the top here, I show you. Put on the top, close, easy, not too much complication. Up the stand, and you install your modificator. You move these things in the back, and this keep your modificator, the lights, your diffuser. But one thing's what you have something here, the line. If you use this that's I'm sometimes I don't use this clip. I use the stand what I have. I take these 2 clips and take my modificator lights, one and position second. I put this clip, and that is more easy for me to use my lamp with this modificator, the light. Believe me, you have like lights now everywhere when you use this lamp. But when you put the lamp closer, you have small amount of lights. That we want to put the lights far, because we wanted bigger amount on the lights. Second things what you can use this modificator, the lights. I show you how. You use this modificator lights, and your light is in one position. Now it's time to choose good background. I chose that background what you see here is natural color. Don't take attention from my product. My product is hero. Remember about this when you photography food, the hero is your food, not the background. And we will really use only the background and take the photo, but I little set up my diffuser little down. Now it's time for set up my camera. What I need, like tripod. I cannot imagine didn't work without tripod. That is very important. Have the tripod and set up the camera. Let's go. The camera Canon 7D Mark II with the lens 50mm Canon 1.8. The aperture we will be used probably 2.8 or 3.5, something like that for this shoot, to show how beautiful is the pasta. I switch off the lights around. I show you how to look the photo with one lamp only, without any lights around. This was simple setup for photography food with artificial light. Like you see, I use one lamp, modificator, the lights, background, and my hero for photography this. You must only know how to work with artificial light. Think about how you can use these lights. If you put too close to the windows on your modificator, the lights will be smaller. If you put the far, the lights will be bigger, more soft. That is always plus when you use the lights. Doesn't matter artificial or natural, and you want to do more soft your lights. In the modificator lights is closer to your product, is more soft. Is far, is more harsh and small the lights. That you can always use the artificial light work. Think about how you can set up from different corner the lights, the right side, left side, in the back. Use different angle with your camera. Don't only block yourself to change direction the lights. Change direction the camera, the 45 degrees take the shoot, flat lay shoot, straight away the shoot different. That is always the best to practice with the lights what you have. And now, like you see, you learn few things what you need to buy with the work to artificial light, and you really can do beautiful shot what you with artificial lights what looks like natural light. Now it's time for practice for you to work with artificial lights, but if you want to know more about artificial light, check this video.